You have to have an incredible team to do it. Along my journey, I've met all these incredible people that, they're brilliant with engines, they're brilliant with aerodynamics, they're engineers that love to just tinker and make things go fast.
There's kind of a core group of 8 of us that do a lot of the work on the airplane. And then at Reno, we have 25 to, sometimes 40 people that are there of just old friends and family. So I've got some of my coworkers here that I worked with, past coworkers, actually 2 of my former bosses come to Reno and help out. They love doing it.
So Andre, he's the mad scientist. Andre can take any concept, idea, prototype it, and make it work, and you can make it happen. So,
like Mark Voss, I worked with him at Delta Hawk, and he's a DER and worked at Continental, and a really good friend and kind of mentor. He was there, and so he's got a really amazing engine background and thermodynamic background. One of my other mentors, Sebastian Strauss, is always, he can do magic with data, and he's an engine guru as well. So we're always bouncing ideas off each other. The team here, when we want to fabricate something or, rewire something, like Thomas Lingens is one of my coworkers here at Steel. He helps out. Matt Spark helps out with welding. Mike Turner is always there. So there's this huge group of people that just love to play with the airplane. And I feel very fortunate that I even, get to fly it and be around that group of people. But, and it keeps growing. One example, we try to have that presence on social media to say, hey, if you want to do something with an airplane, like, here's a great avenue for it. And so we call him Young Thomas, but Thomas Lockwood, he found us. He's a big precious metal fan. And then he found us and said, hey, I wanted to come check out the airplane. And he was local to Virginia Beach here. And I said, yeah. I'm like, oh, you want to help work on it? He's like, oh, really? Can I? I was like, oh, absolutely. Now he's this huge driving force behind the team of new ideas and, what can we try, and all the wingtip design. And, we can't do anything great alone. And to have the team that's behind us, the network of engineers, the brain trust, that the Macaulay guys that, that came up with this amazing prop, to have that support, have the support of my family, jump into Jackie, my wife. I met her my rookie year at Reno, and she was there with her dad, Bob. They were crewing for Lee Bill at the time. And so it just keeps growing and growing from such an amazing group of people.
And I think really the support we have from industry and the team is what made it, I think, so much fun and getting that group together. So I feel very fortunate to have that kind of support from everybody. And